Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials: 4 AA cells in a holder and a 5V USB boost module. Once done, measure the battery pack with a multimeter to confirm roughly 6V. Next, strip the short USB cable to expose the red, positive, and black, negative wires and tin them if you're soldering. Make sure to secure the battery holder so it won't shift while you work. This gets you ready to connect the boost module and create a stable 5V USB output for charging. Now connect the battery holder to the boost module. Red to VIN+, black to VIN, polarity matters. Once connected, attach the stripped USB cable to the boost's VOUT+ and G&D so the phone can draw 5V. If soldering, heat quickly and use small joints. Otherwise, twist firmly and cover with electrical tape. After connections, secure the module and batteries inside a small box. Then test with a multimeter at the USB end. You should read stable 5. Finish by plugging your phone into the makeshift USB and watch for the charging indicator. Monitor the battery pack temperature and the phone's charge rate. If the boost cannot maintain about 5.0V under load, the phone may not charge reliably. If voltage falls below 4.8V, make sure connections are solid and swap in fresh AA cells. As a troubleshooting tip, if anything gets warm quickly or the boost shuts down, disconnect immediately. Recheck polarity and joints, and never leave this temporary charger unattended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.